Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Bibi. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the clean girl look with a twist. I'll be using powder foundation as my base. So if you are interested in seeing how this turns out, please keep on watching. So to save time, I did my eyebrows off camera using the Darkskin Colorful Liquid Eyeliner in black and brown, and I gel down my eyebrows with the Palladio Brow Gel in clear. To carve out my eyebrows, I'll be using the LA Girl HD concealer in the color Cool Tan. So I'm carving out the entire bottom part of my eyebrows and 1/3 or 2/3 of the top part of my eyebrows. This gives it an effortless look, like you didn't do that much but you did snatch your eyebrows. Now that I'm happy with the appearance of my eyebrows, I'm going to drag the remaining concealer onto my eyelids to give it a base. Now I'm going to prep my skin with the Dr. Rochelle Vitamin C Brightening Essence Toner. Looks like this. This toner is more of a diluted serum, so it's not like very runny. It has a little bit of body, so it works well as a prepping product for my skin. I put some on the palm of my hand, and I'm going to now put it on the parts where I will put my powder foundation in order for it to stick to my skin. And this will also give me this beautiful glow underneath my powder foundation. So to get that perfect color combination, I dab my brush into Cafe and then reach Mahogany so I can get that perfect complexion for my skin. So I start by placing the foundation here in the middle and then spreading it outwards to my cheeks. Now that I'm done applying my powder foundation, I'll brighten up my T-zone area, the middle part of my face, with another powder foundation. Now I'm going to brighten up my face with Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Golden Cashews. Using a small brush, I will place it in the places you're going to normally put your concealer to highlight your face. Now that I'm done brightening my face, I'm going to let the powder foundation sit on my face for about 4 to 5 minutes while I finish the rest of my makeup, so that when I blend it all out, it still looks like I did brighten up my face. I will use my Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, this shade in this palette, as my blush, because I do not have a blush for now, but we will use what we have. So I'm going to use this as my blush. I normally do not put blush on my skin, but this transitional color in this palette looks very nice as a blush. I'm going to bronze my face with the NYX No Filter finishing powder in the shade Mahogany. Now that I've finished blending all the powders on my face, my face is looking very powdery, very ashy. So I'll have to drench my face with the Scarlet Hill setting spray to bring back the dew, the glow, and the glass skinness of the look, because the clean girl makeup look is very glossy, very youthful, and I look very ashy. Now using the foundation okay, using the foundation brush, I'm going to press down the setting spray onto my skin. Off camera, I went on to perfect the look again by bronzing my face thoroughly. Now I'm going to put on my lashes and come back to show you how I do my lips. Finished putting my eyelashes. Now I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to start by moisturizing my lips with the Paris Collection Lip Shine in Juicy Grape. Now I'm going to line my lips with the Davis Eye No. 3 eyeliner in brown. Now that I'm done overlining my lips, I'm going to use the Essence Color Boost Vanillicious Liquid Lipstick in the color Woody Rosy on the center of my lips. And this is the final look. It is not as glowy as the clean girl, the normal clean girl look, whereby the person uses a liquid foundation. However, it is still the clean girl look. Classic, glowy, and very youthful. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Regimes. Bye-bye.